It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 2500HD is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Turbo V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, auto-dimming mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, mirror-mounted spotlights, shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Experience it for yourself today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.